Look at it. For $1,000. And that's just the body. You'll need the new lenses. Another 3,000. Maybe 4. You'll need the extra batteries because God knows it won't last a day. Another 300. You're looking at an $8,000 hole in your bank account. And why? Because you've been told this is progress. You've been told this is what a real photographer uses in 2024. What if it's all a marketing trick? What if I told you that hundreds of professional photographers, the ones actually making money, are secretly buying a 7-year-old camera instead? A camera that was so perfectly built, so powerful, that it still defines the very peak of photographic engineering. They don't talk about it. They don't want you to know. Because this camera is their secret weapon. Today, we're not talking about the shiny new toy. We're talking about the legend. This is the forbidden story of the Nikon D850 and why it's the smartest purchase you can possibly make today. So what is the secret? Why is a camera from 2017 still a king? Is it the 45.7 megapixels? Yes, but that's not the secret. Is it the 9 frames per second burst rate? Yes, but that's not the secret either. The real secret is something the spec sheets can't tell you. It's a feeling. It's the feeling of picking up a tool forged from magnesium alloy, not a piece of plastic. It's the feeling of a grip that melts into your hand, designed by people who actually take pictures. It's the sound. That is the sound of authority. The sound of a machine built for war. Not a silent, soulless click from a tiny speaker. But the feel is just the appetizer. The real power lies in its heart. That sensor. You've heard of megapixels. But the D850 doesn't just have megapixels. It has magic. It has a base ISO of 64. Let me repeat that. 64. This isn't just a number. It's a cheat code. It means the sensor is drinking light in a way new cameras can only dream of. It captures images that are not just sharp. They are elastic. You can take a photo that looks completely black, buried in shadows, and you can pull those shadows up in Lightroom and find a universe of perfect, clean, noise-free detail. You can shoot a sunset that looks completely blown out and pull those highlights back and find every single ray of light, every single gradient in the sky. This sensor doesn't just take a picture. It saves it. It gives you a 45 megapixel canvas with a dynamic range of a medium format film camera. It's not a digital file. It's an oil painting. You are not capturing a moment. You're capturing all the light from that moment. It's a power that, once you taste it, you can't live without. But what about autofocus, the mirrorless crowd cries? What about IAF? They've forgotten. They've forgotten where this camera's brain came from. Nikon did the unthinkable. They took the autofocus engine from their $6,500 flagship sports camera, the D5, a camera designed to track missiles, and they put its entire brain into the D850. 153 focus points. 99 of them are cross-type. This isn't an autofocus system. It is a tracking system. You think you need IAF to lock onto an eye? This system was built to lock onto the eye of a bird of prey, diving at 100 miles an hour against a busy forest. It doesn't hunt. It acquires. It is fast. It is brutal. And it is reliable in light so dark, your new mirrorless camera wouldn't even know what to do. You combine that speed, that brutal D5 focus engine, with 9 frames per second of 45 megapixel files, and you don't have a camera anymore. You have a beast that can shoot a high-fashion cover for Vogue magazine in the morning, and then go shoot a Super Bowl in the afternoon, without compromise. But here is the part they really don't want you to know. This is the part that exposes the entire lie. The cost. Let's talk about the battery. That tiny battery in your new $4,000 mirrorless camera, you'll be lucky to get 500 shots. You'll carry 4 of them in your pocket, constantly worried, constantly swapping. The D850? 1. Single. Charge. 1,800 shots. Sometimes 2,000. You can shoot an entire wedding, from morning prep to the final dance, on one battery. Your mirrorless friends are huddled around a wall outlet, and you are still shooting. That is freedom. That is professionalism. And the final secret. The one that saves you thousands. The lenses. The new mirrorless systems forced everyone to buy new, expensive glass. They created a walled garden. The D850, it gives you the key to the forbidden treasure chest. The Nikon F-mount, 60 years of legendary, perfected optical masterpieces. You want a lens that creates dreamlike portraits? The 85mm f/1.4G, a masterpiece. You want the sharpest 50mm ever made? The f/1.8G. It costs $150 used. You want the holy trinity of f/2.8 zoom lenses? You could buy all three of them for the price of one new mirrorless zoom. This isn't just a camera. It's a system. A system that is now the single greatest value in the history of photography. You have a choice. You can chase the new, shiny object. You can spend $8,000 to be a beta tester for the next new feature. You could be a consumer. Or you could be a master. You can buy a tool that has already been perfected. A tool that has shot more magazine covers, more fine art prints, and more professional campaigns than any camera in the last decade. You could get a used Nikon D850 today for the price of an entry-level mirrorless body. You're not buying an old camera. You're buying a legend. You're making the smartest decision of your photographic life. While everyone else is busy updating their firmware, you'll be busy taking breathtaking pictures. The choice is yours.